Hello! Good morning! Ito po kung paano mag-register sa Auto, Golag, Hype, MyCab. Yan, ito mga requirements. What you need to know before joining TNBS companies. Ito po yung website ng um, mga requirements sa Hype, Auto. Ayan. Want to earn income from driving people around the city or using your car ride-hailing service. You can join as a driver or operator for One Transport Network Vehicle Service or TNBS company in the Philippines. Read on to learn how you can sign up for LTFRB accredited TNBS companies such as Golag, Grab, Hype, MyCab, Auto, and UHub. Ito po, companies in the Philippines will accept your application only if you meet all these conditions. Siyempre, meron ka dapat sasakyan. You have a car. This one is obvious, but a lot of people are asking TNBS company on social media if they can apply even without a car. Siyempre, kailangan nyo ng car muna. Tapos, i-register nyo sa LTFRB. Pupunta kayo sa LTFRB. You are included in the LTFRB audited master list. Kailangan meron kayong provisional authority galing sa LTFRB. Meron kayong case number. Kukuha muna kayo ng case number sa LTFRB. Yan. Operator and driver. You have a valid permit from the LTFRB to operate as a TNBS driver or operator. The LTFRB issued two kinds of TNBS permit. Provisional authority valid for 45 days and certificate of public convenience CPC valid for 2 years. Bali, ito po ang kukunin nyo po sa LTFRB ay provisional authority saka CPC. Una, kailangan nyo ng sasakyan. May sasakyan na dapat kayo. Meron na kayong ORCR. Tapos, pangalawa, mag-register kayo sa LTFRB. Ito po yung site ng LTFRB. Para, ngayon, sa ngayon, wala pang ngayon eh. Hindi pa sila nagbukas eh. Pero ituturo ko sa inyo kung saan ang website nila. Ito na. Yan, how to register for new TNBS new. How to register for TNBS new CPC. Registration will start 8 a.m. of August. Nag-start na sila noon last year. August 28, 2018. Ano na ngayon, ang date na ngayon ay 2018 na nakarang taon pa. Ang date na ngayon, March 12, 2019 na ngayon. Wala na siya. Bali, ito papakita ko sa inyo. The application for TNBS is open for Metro Manila only. Excuse. Open the link. Ito po yung link. Fill up the form. Ayan ang lumabas. LTFRB. TNBS registration for the registration for 10,000 new applicant for the Transport Network Vehicle Service TNBS franchise has been completed. The board will monitor further need to open up additional slot for new application and will post announcement in due time. Bali, monitor na lang po kayo buwan-buwan kung mag-open pa sila. Ang date ngayon ay March 12, 2019. Bali, monitor nyo na lang po itong site na to para makita kung makita nyo merong open. Kailangan nyo ng slot. Mag-register muna kayo dyan bago kayo pumunta sa mga TNC. mga transport network company tulad ng Grab, Auto, Golag, Hype yan. Register muna kayo sa LTFRB bago kayo pumunta sa mga TNC, sa mga transport network company. Ito, punta tayo ulit, balik tayo doon. Back natin to. Ayan. You can't register and drive for any transport network company without PA or CPC permit from the LTFRB. Otherwise, your car will be considered a colorum or an illegally operating vehicle. Bali, kahit pagpunta nyo pa lang sa Grab, hindi na kayo papayagan na makapag-register. Pwede nyo ibigay yung mga ORCR para kung may open na, tatawagan na lang kayo. Ganun lang ang pwede nyo gawin para nakapending yung application nyo sa Grab o Hype, ganun, Auto. Yan. Kailangan nyo muna kumuha talaga ng PA. Ayan, because of the new LTFRB directive, Grab has temporary stopped accommodating application for accreditation or registration of a new car to its platform. However, former Uber driver can transfer to Grab. Mga dating Uber, pwede na sila makapag-transfer sa Grab. To join Grab, you still need to register and undergo training. Sorry. Submit the requirements for faster processing. Submit this. Meron ng PA to eh. How to apply as a Golag driver or operator. Golag assures driver of a decent take-home pay. Yan ang opisina nila sa Golag. Block 66, Lot 18 and 19, San Jose Rodeo Drive, Laguna Bel Air 2, Barangay Don Jose, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Golag TNBS accreditation steps. Yan. Requirements ng phone. Ito, smartphone with 5G. Submit the complete form along with these requirements. 1 smartphone with 5.1 inches screen and 16 GB memory. Kailangan mo pa drug test. Ayan ang mga requirements sa Golag. Hype. Ito naman ang requirements sa Hype. Ito, may cap sa taxi to eh. May mga prangkisa sa taxi. Auto, yan requirements sa auto. UHAP, how to apply. May tatlo ay apat na TNC, Grab, Golag, Hype, MyCab, Auto. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Limang TNC ang bago ngayon. Apat pala, apat. Kasi Grab dati na yun. Ayan. Yan po. Ito naman sa Uber. Uber. Ito po. Ayan po, kailangan nyo ng PA, fill up. Mag-fill up po kayo ng form dito. Open the link. The application for TNBS is open for Metro Manila only. Open the link. ltfrb.gov.ph. Fill up the form. Follow the step provided by the system. A confirmation email will be sent to you for your registration and appointment date. Yan po yung magsaset kayo ng application ng appointment date dito eh. May mga slot yan, mamimili kayo. Yan sa number 5 step. Print the confirmation email and bring it during your appointment date. Print the application form and have it notarized. Applicant is required to appear personally during the appointment date at LTFRB Central Office, East Ab, Quezon City. TNBS requirements for new CPC, initial requirements upon filing application. Yung mga yan, ida-download nyo sa LTFRB, mga requirements na yan. 4 copies of verified application alleging proof of citizenship and financial capability of annex and verification and certification of non-forum shopping process. Ito yung process flow. Verification of name in the database. Yun, dapat nakapag-register kayo dyan. Evaluation of requirements, issuance of payment order slip, payment, receiving of application. Additional requirements be submitted during the hearing. Proof of existence of sufficiency of garage, dimension of garage, location map, proof of financial capability, register nyo rin sa DTI, tapos sa BIR kailangan certificate of registration. Yan ang mga babayaran. Okay? Kung may mga tanong po kayo, mag-comment po kayo sa akin. Thank you. Subscribe po kayo. Salamat.